Now we would like to begin in continuity of the topic that is the algebra, the new chapter quadratic equations. The quadratic equation has come out from the polynomial quadratic polynomial. If any quadratic polynomial is equated to the value 0, then that quadratic polynomial converts to the quadratic equation. If we say what is the quadratic equation, so standard form of the quadratic equation is approximately same as the polynomial. It is like this: ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We say this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. If you are writing only this much, that ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is the standard form of a quadratic equation, is not sufficient. The mandatory condition is here, we must write here that is a is not equal to 0. What for and why the a is not equal to 0 is considered here? The reason is very simple, that is if a becomes 0, then 0 into x square will be 0, and because of this what is going to be converted here? Bx plus c. So this equation will not remain quadratic. So mandatory condition is, whenever we are interested to write the standard form of the quadratic equation, we must write ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Because if a becomes 0, ultimately it will not remain quadratic. So this is known as the necessary condition, a is not equal to 0. The thing number 1. The next thing, that how many zeros, we will not use word zeros that we were using in the polynomials. We will use here the word how many roots or how many solutions a quadratic equation has. We know that the degree of the quadratic equation is 2. Degree of quadratic equation is 2. So what we can say, as degree of this quadratic equation is 2, so it has 2 zeros. Zeros we will use in the word topic polynomial. Here what we will use? We will use zero, not zeros, we will use the solutions. We will use the roots. So how many roots a quadratic equation has? A quadratic equation has 2 roots, as its degree is 2. So number of roots of a quadratic equation is how many? 2. Now again a thing come, these 2 roots may be equal, these 2 roots may be unequal, and it may also possible that these 2 roots are